third and second question. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds smaller by 80 degree. Find them. So notice here it is given two angles are supplementary angles. So first ನಿಮಗೆ supplementary angles ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. So basics part ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ supplementary angles ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. Supplementary angle means this is a pair of angles when you add up which gives what 180 degree. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು angles ಅನ್ನ add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 180 degree ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು. So two angles are unknown here. So ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ the two angles taken as x and y. Oh here let x be the larger angle, x be the larger angle and y be the smaller one, which is the smaller angle. Okay, so here I consider x and y as two supplementary angles. So ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು x ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು larger angle ತಗೊಂಡೆ, y ಅನ್ನು smaller angle ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. So what is question here? Larger angle exceeds smaller by 80. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ larger angles ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು smaller angles ಗಿಂತ 18 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಇವಾಗ given larger angle exceeds smaller angle by how much degree? 18 degree. So what is larger angle? Larger angle x ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. X is equal to it is 18 degree more than smaller angle. So y plus 18 ಅಥವಾ 18 plus 5. So ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತೀಗ this is our equation number 1. Next one more equation ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದೀಗ? So it is given two angles are supplementary ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ given x and y are supplementary. So these two angles are supplementary. Then x plus y is equal to 180 degree. So this is our equation number 2. So simple, ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ. x plus y is equal to 180 degree. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ? Replace x as y plus 18 in the second equation. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನಾನು equation number 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So substitute. Next continue. ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದು. Very simple. Yes. Substitute x as y plus 18 in equation ಯಾವುದು? In equation 2, which is our equation 2. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. So easy then. So what is the next angle? Then here x is equal to y plus 18. So y plus 80 plus y is equal to 180. So we have to solve this equation. Y plus y is 2y. 2y plus 18 is equal to 180 degree. So what is how to solve this equation? 2y is equal to 180 degree minus 18. So 2y is equal to, what is the answer here? It is 107 and 162. Okay, 10 minus 8 and next year 7 and 1 gives, okay, 162. So y is equal to 162 divided by 2. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2 ones are 2 8s are and 2 ones are. So 81 degree. Y is equal to 81 degree. So one of the angle of the supplementary angle is 81 degree. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Continue next part. Substitute y as how much? 81 degree or 81 in any one equation, in any equation. ನಾನು equation number 2 ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Equation number 2 or you can substitute in equation number 1. So this is our second equation. Yes, y is equal to 81. Then x plus 81 is equal to 180 degree. Then what is x? That is 180 degree minus 81 degree. Subtraction calculate ಮಾಡಿ. 10 minus 1 is 9 and here 17 minus 8 is how much? 17 minus 8 is 9 and here 0. So x is equal to 99 degree. Let us check this answer. The larger angle is 99 degree. X is 99. Y is 81. So the smaller angle 81 ಇದೆ. Next, this is 99 degree. So 90, 81 plus 18, ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 99. 81 is the smaller angle here. So for that smaller angle, when we added 18 degree, we are getting what? Larger angle. 81 plus 18 is 99. So larger angle is 18 degree greater than smaller one. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So answer, what is the required answer? X is equal to 99 degree. ಅಂದ್ರೆ larger angle, our larger angle x is equal to 99 degree, and next to smaller angle. So I will write here last because we cannot see properly. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ larger angle, our larger angle x is equal to 99 degree, and next to smaller angle y is equal to 81 degree. ಮೊದಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇವಾಗ. When you add these two, x plus y, the 99 plus 81, how much? 180 degree. Sum of these two angle measures 180 degree. So this is the answer for the second question from the third main. Okay, clear? Practice ಮಾಡಿ daily. So next video we will continue another question. ಏನಿದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು? ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ದಿ equation, pair of linear equation, and you have to understand the situation, then solve by the substitution method this way. Thank you for watching this video and do subscribe my channel.